You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.